Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update your Intel graphics driver in Windows 11. And now let's get started. To begin, open the Start menu on your computer and search for Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager window to open it. Next, expand the Display Adapters section by clicking the drop-down arrow. You should see your Intel graphics card listed here. Now, to identify your Intel processor generation, expand the Processors section and make a note of the generation your CPU belongs to, for example, 13th generation. This information is crucial for selecting the correct driver. Once you have this information, you can close the Device Manager window. Open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Intel Driver Support website. In the search bar, type List of Intel Drivers and select the official Intel website that lists drivers for Intel graphics. On the website, locate the drop-down menu for your operating system and choose Windows 11. Scroll down to the driver section. You will see different driver options based on Intel processor generations. If you have a newer generation processor like 11th, 12th, 13th or 14th, download the driver compatible with these. For older generations, such as 7th, 8th, 9th or 10th, select the appropriate driver. As an example, if you are running a 13th generation processor, click on the corresponding link for the latest driver. On the download page, scroll down and click the downloadable file to begin the download. Once the driver file has finished downloading, locate it and open the executable file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of the new Intel graphics driver onto your computer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.